Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So are you wanting to get more high-end clients, ones that really want to pay more money? Well, if that's the case, today I'm going to share with you a vendor that you can actually register with that definitely pays more than what a lot of our cleaning customers complain about. So stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to share that with you. You ready? Let's go. So the vendor that I'm going to talk about that is a high-end vendor is UPS. UPS has large warehouses throughout the United States. Their hub, I think their major hub might be in Philadelphia, but I know they do have quite a few warehouses. Now, I always said the reason why I did so well in business was because I focused on looking for high-end customers. A lot of individuals complain because they can't find them to scale their business. UPS also actually owns Kinko's, and there are quite a few of those where you can do floors and restrooms. And I know we've done restrooms when we would just go in and really specialize in cleaning the restrooms. Specializing in cleaning restrooms in a lot of these warehouses or a lot of the Kinko's, registering as a vendor. I'm going to have the link in the description and on our Facebook page. That way you can click on, join us, and get all the information you want when it comes to registering with the UPS, which owns Kinko's. Now, a lot of these will pay big money, but you're going to have to make sure that you have that website. Make sure you have your website. Kind of know your revenue, where you are. Doesn't matter if you have a lot or not, but you do want to know your revenue. You want to make sure that you have everything that looks appealing on your website, and make sure you have your services listed out. Do you specialize in doing restrooms? Do you do floors, carpets? Make sure you have all of that, because when we're looking at higher end customers, and when I give you vendors that you can register with, these are the ones that are looking for companies. You don't have to be like been in business for years, but you want to have a presence online and have as many things checked off on things that you can offer that is visible when someone visits your website. So make sure that when they visit, everything looks good. Like I said, I'm going to have the you can click the description for actually registering to become a vendor with UPS, which owns Kinko's. They have over 586 warehouses. I am a warehouse person. I believe in warehouses when it comes to scaling the business. And if you're tired of customers that do not want to pay, which I hear all the time, then make sure you join me tomorrow. I'm going to talk a lot about where and how you can find contracts where they're going to pay what you feel your value is, as long as you're able to demonstrate that in your marketing, in your service. Make sure you start to get testimonials from customers that say you can do a good job. Because like I said, vendors like UPS, Home Depot, Lowe's, Bank of America, all of those that I normally present on a Friday for who you can become a vendor with so that you can make the money that we're speaking about, which is six figures and beyond. Pow! Then make sure you have all your I's dotted and T's crossed, as we like to say, to continue along and make that money. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to talk about what you need to do to make sure you stay with high-end customers, whether they're government or commercial. And until the next video, make sure you stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.